Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video of the Carp Commander channel. Today we are at Lake Varner in Covington, Georgia. We will be targeting grass carp and blue catfish. It's pretty early in the morning on a Wednesday and it is still quiet and calm. It looks pretty promising. As the day heats up, the fishing might get slow, but we're going to go ahead and set up and see what happens. We've got quite a bit of shoreline to work with. We've got a nice cove out here. Looks good. Well, we are back, and right after I cut the video on the last part, a massive grass carp jumped right out there. And I am assuming that I will catch it in just a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get these rods baited up and we'll get started. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you're using. So I'm using a basic Peleg rig, which essentially consists of, well, a number 2 hook and a 1/4 ounce sliding lead on just a swivel. That's pretty basic carp rig. I usually I use British rigs out here, but I've been doing pretty good with the American rigs. So I've got a little vanilla orange millet here, and I'm just using kicks as a hook bait. Just put them right on the hook. Catches them every time. Want to pick up the camera, it's rolling. How long did I tell you it would take?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Actually, it's a little more. It's 7.
Well, I got a grass carp on.
I just totally put my hand in front of the camera because I was trying to get a hand on the phone.
Apologies for the bad film quality, because somebody doesn't know how to hold a camera.
I had to get my hand on the phone because I had to get the net open.
This is a decent sized grass carp, and when you fight grass carp, you want to fight them just real slow and gentle, let them do their own thing. That one took off, as you can see. He's coming in over here. This better not be a catfish, like, honestly.
It wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah, it ran like a carp though. Oh no, it's a carp. Holy, he's a giant. He broke me off. He broke me off. My drag was too tight. Your camera's down too.
I know.
Well, y'all, that's a carp lost. That's the first grass carp I've ever lost in 3 years of catching them. Right on camera. Well, let's try again. Fish on. Okay, try to operate the camera this time.
Why don't you just leave the camera there?
Oh, do it. Just leave it there.
Oh, actually, I have a better idea.
No.
I can move it right here.
No, let's just net it. That was fast. 11 minutes to be precise. Can you pick up those raisins behind me? They're my only raisins. I don't want them getting full of ants. Well, guys, we got another one on. About 12 minutes later. You're a genius. As you can see, we have put the raisins. Oh, there he goes. Right over my other line. Oh. Oh, dang. Man, this guy's ripping.
He doesn't like you.
Yeah, this carp is not a friend of mine. And this rod is not very good either, because it's 8 years old. Oh, that's caught. You know, this fish is really
see. Considering he ran the way he ran.
He's probably the same fish. I didn't think they were that dumb. That line went slack for a second. I panicked. Oh my god. Dive. Back up. I can't get control of this fish.
He has a submarine.
I'm keeping that drag nice and fresh. This fish. Unreal. Y'all seeing this? Bill, how big is this fish? This fish, oh my god.
What?
Oh, holy did you see its tail? Bill, this might be bigger than the 30 pounder. This might be a 40. Guys.
This is gonna be a pain.
Oh, you see that shadow? Oh, he's a nice one.
I can't see anything. I'm down here. All I can see is the glare of the sun.
He's coming in this way.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay.
See if you can bring him right here.
I'll try, man. He's a strong fish.
Meanwhile, I try not to fall in the water. Oh.
Yeah. You see him?
Okay. Hear it? Come on, bud. This is gonna be one of these, isn't it?
He's gonna run. That's what they do. Let him run. This fish, Bill. This fish is a monster.
All you gotta do is get him.
God, he is active. He is fighting harder than any other fish I've ever caught. Even that big one. This sucker's got muscle on him. I don't know if it's the fresh morning air or what it is. Can't get this bad boy in the net. He doesn't like it. Can you see the hook?
I can't.
Is it through the corner of his mouth?
It looks to be in the center.
Okay, thank God.
I think it looks kind of like
Maybe it's really sketchy. I don't know how well he's done.
all I do.
Bill, get him in the net. Get him. Get him. Damn, you gotta net him quick, Bill.
I'm trying, but I can't get it underneath him. I can't reach him.
Holy shit, this fish.
I got like underneath him about a third of the way, and then he kind of.
He's not that big, but he's really powerful. He's a healthy fish.
Oh yeah.
Very healthy fish. Bill, come on.
He was in there and he.
Bill, he's coming back in. He's coming back in.
He knows the
That
net.
wasn't your fault, that was me. I didn't.
Yeah, but he also knows the net. He's avoiding it at all
He
costs.
is really smart. I might have caught this fish before. He is extremely smart.
Oh. I can't get it. He's like so. Ugh.
Come on, man, get a grip. You gotta get it out there fast.
I can get it under him. It's easy.
God, he's big.
I know.
Hey, here we go again.
Right.
I can't keep him on for much longer, Bill. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Yeah! Look at the hook, it popped out. It popped out. Here's the fish, y'all. You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's film the release. We're gonna do the Carp launch 2000. Oh, good lord. This is one of the bigger ones I've caught. It keeps going in here. Ooh. The hook popped out right as you know.
I know.
That was insane luck. I told you I couldn't hold him much longer.
Yeah. He finally got where, like, every time I was hooking or getting him under the net, he'd get about a third of the way there.
Come here, big boy. Roll over, roll over.
There he goes.
Get out of here. He's okay. Okay. One carp on the bank and it's only 9:30, 45, I don't know. Well guys, first carp of the day. Let's see if we can catch more. Get in front of me. That way the sunlight will be on the fish.
There we go.
Okay guys, while the camera was off, you flipped the camera upside down again.
No, it's upright.
Okay. While the camera was off, guys, I caught me another grass carp. He's a little smaller. Not one of the smaller ones, but he looks pretty good. Well, let's get him back in. Here we go. There he goes. Well, another one on the bank. Well guys, it has been a few hours now and we have only had as much as one bite. Obviously during the middle of the day, it heats up, the fish leave, and normally we only catch about one grass carp a day out of here anyway, because as you can see it's a very large reservoir and they tend to be concentrated in very small areas which can be difficult to find. In this case, I think I fished out this hole for the day and we should probably call it. This is as much as we're gonna get, so you know, this is an end to our first video on the Carp Commander YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed and subscribe if you would like to see more, and we'll see you next time.